So this is our room in Kuala Lumpur. So nice. Ting. Shower. Luggage area. Meron tayong water. TV. And a double bed. Sofa, Mabi. And
YouTube.
welcome Kuala Lumpur.
I think that one is for the train, Mabi. But where's the tallest building? Can you see the tallest building?
It's a train.
There's a train. Where's the train?
It's a train.
Morning, everyone.
Oh, careful. Wow. Choo choo. Hi. That one? It's a rail truck. It's a truck for the train.
This is the Berjaya Square. Ayan. Ito yung lobby ng hotel. Ito yung Berjaya Square, Times Square nila. Ayan yung Petronas Tower. Ito yung Kuala Lumpur Tower. Ito yung kanilang city. Ayan. So, walking distance lang talaga siya.
Kaya, mami, i-walk mo nga yung
Train.
yung Petronas Tower.
Ako
Hindi. Oo, madali lang yun eh.
Look, there's a train!
Mabi?
Coffee in the morning and early breakfast.
Masarap yung pancake. Masarap yung orange juice press.
Boss Amo.